Justin Waller had a huge rise to fame alongside Andrew Tate, and rightfully so, because I genuinely really like this guy. He has been giving a lot of business advice, which I completely agree with, but also some things which are very problematic. So today I'm going to be reacting to some of the things he said.
You want to know what the new hack is? Learn how to be a plumber.
Do you think it's a bit of an issue though that everyone wants to be an entrepreneur?
I do. So what it is perception. So you have a guy that's working his tools all day. The second he opens his phone, he's going to see some 19-year-old with a Lamborghini drop shipping from Dubai. But I believe that if we could get in a place where we were paying these guys what their real value to the world is, you would see a change. I do think that's going to happen.
So this is something I like a lot because everybody right now is talking about entrepreneurship and this being the greatest thing of all time. In reality, 99% of entrepreneurs fail. That's reality, that's how it is. But the majority of people who actually work for somebody and just get the paycheck, they don't lose money, nothing goes wrong, everything is very stable. So very first of all, entrepreneurship is not as easy as you think, and you are basically not going to be able to be a specialist as an entrepreneur. If you, for example, work as a sales guy, you just have the role of sales. You just learn sales, that's it. If you are just starting a business, then you instantly are everybody. You're the sales guy, you're the videographer, you're the accountant, you're everybody, which just makes everything so much more difficult. Now, granted, the payoffs are huge, and if you actually are successful with a business, you're gonna crush it. But obviously, you first need to get there. Another thing which happens is if you have a proper business, if you have a legit business, you're gonna have a bunch of people working for you. If you are on this trip where you basically think entrepreneurship is the best thing, you should never work for somebody, how do you morally justify somebody working for you? You're always gonna think in your head, why is this guy working for me? Why is he not just starting his own business? And you're gonna see a lot of people leaving the company if you have that mindset overall. So generally, I would say there's so many well-respected jobs. If you actually are a plumber, kudos to you. I actually genuinely respect you for what you're doing because you contribute so much to society.
I put fitness in front of business all day. Fitness is going to make business so much easier. If you walk in a room and you're in shape, they automatically respect that.
So this is something I completely disagree with because who's going to respect you? What room? You are a dropshipper. This is maybe applicable in some offline business, but as a dropshipper, you're sitting there by yourself in a room, filming videos or trying to make your Facebook ads work. It's not connected to anybody respecting you. You don't have to present yourself better for connections or something like that. If you're actually being honest to yourself, what happens is this: you go to the gym, you make your meal, you make your bed, you do all of that, and then you felt productive. You felt like you had a great day. When in reality, you didn't do anything yet which made you money. And this is very problematic. Going to the gym and feeling productive because of that is gonna make you chill. And that is a problem. So generally, you need to understand whatever you do in life, it's a trade-off. Whenever you go to the gym, you don't focus on your business. Whenever you're cooking, you don't go to the gym and you're not working on your business. And also, guess what? You're not seeing your family, which means that every single thing you do, you're not doing something else. The opportunity cost is there. It's the same with business as with the gym. You just need to honestly think, what trade-offs are you willing to do to make money? Are you willing to spend less time with your family? Because guess what? You're gonna have to do that. Are you willing to spend less time with your friends? Because that's also something you're gonna have to do. Are you willing to cut down your gym time in some cases when you didn't finish the work yet? That's the questions you need to be asking yourself. And never try to connect things which are not connected.
I eat Uber Eats every day. I never cook. I keep an empty refrigerator. My dad's like, son, don't you think it'd be so much cheaper if you cooked? And I said, no, not really. I said, let's talk about that scenario. Calling the valet, getting downstairs in the elevator to valet, getting in the G-Wagon, burning fuel, sitting in traffic on Biscayne, go to Publix, trying to find a parking spot at Publix, getting out, looking around the store for what I want. Dude, I want fucking chicken or steak. Getting the food, all the ingredients, going home, parking again, going back up the elevator, getting the pots and pans out, cooking like a fucking idiot. I'm cooking, saving money. The Dial soap that costs $8 a little bottle. Oh, clean the dishes, clean the plates, fucking nerds.
Perfect. This is exactly my point. He's 100% right here because cooking is not going to make you money and it's actually much more expensive to cook than not to cook. Why? Again, opportunity cost. You lose time which you could have spent on the business. Hey, guess what? Same thing with the gym. And I actually feel like this is making the point because I'm pretty sure if he would have to pick from getting something from Uber Eats, which is super unhealthy, versus actually having to cook by himself, he would still get the thing from Uber Eats, which means that the health factor is out. Recently, I've actually posted a full 1-hour dropshipping step-by-step guide. It teaches you everything you need to know to make money with dropshipping. It's by far the best way to do it in 2023. Trust me on this one, I know what I'm talking about. I've seen this strategy work for hundreds and hundreds of people. So if you are actually serious about making dropshipping work, you should definitely check that one out.